Hello everyone, welcome back again with me, Zerhan here. So today I'm going to continue what we did last week. So I'm going to continue to the next section, which is the about section, or you can call it history section, by the way. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is the section what we're going to make in this video. So basically this entire histories section, here's the text, the images. When you hover this, it will change, and then there we go, that's it. Alright, so first thing first, what we're going to do right now, we're going to make a new folder in the components, which is the about folder now. So I'm going to make a new file, which is the about, or you can call it history. I'm just going to make it same as my project shortcuts as usual. So first thing first, what I'm going to do, I'm going to make the history first, and then there we go, that's for the title. Next thing, I'm just going to make a new file first, which is the description file shortcut as usual, and then we're going to call it here. We're going to make another div, and then we're going to make the other description, which is, well, as you can see, so this is the normal description. I'm just really bad to make the name of the file, so this is basically the upper description, and this is the bottom section of the description. You can make a new file, so yeah, it's just saying if you want to make it raw or copy it. Shortcut, there we go, we're going to call it here, and then description bottom, and then there we go. And the next one, we're going to make the projects, the images, this thing and this one. So another div, and then we're going to make another folder, not folder, file, I'm sorry, projects for name. Shortcut as usual, call the projects. So by the way, let's get into the styling. Go. Next thing, we're going to the description section. I'm going to copy paste these phrases because in the future we're going to map it one by one, and then there we go. I'm going to map it first. Okay, so return some paragraph temporarily, so go to the next one first. The animation, which is the animated text, as you can see. Okay, so cons text or some container, whatever. I'm just going to make it some container for the consistency, like last week. So use ref, and then set it to null for the initial state, and then we're going to use some layout effect from React. Then we're going to make some lat, and then we're going to import the GSAP. Oh yeah, so for you that haven't installed GSAP, you need to follow me like this. Wait, I'm going to clear this thing first. So npm install GSAP, just simple as that. It should be it early, and then there we go. Now you can import it from GSAP, and then after that you want to make some context here, make some function, which is the GSAP register the plugin with the scroll trigger, this one, yeah, this one. After that, GSAP from the container, and then current, and then go to scroll trigger to make it the trigger with container dot current. So it's triggered by the position of the container now. So for the scrub is true, and then for the start of the animation it's on 0 pixel at the bottom, And then for the end position, I'm going to make it on the bottom plus 400 pixel, and then there we go. We need to set it into 0 for the opacity, and then we're going to make a start from the right and minus 200 pixel, so it start from the minus 200 pixel. So this is the 0 and this is minus 200 pixel, and then there we go. Next thing, we're going to set the ease into the power 3 out. There we go. And then we're going to return ctx revert. There we go. And don't forget, if you're using some use layout effect or use effect, you need to add dependency to return the paragraph and have some reference using container. And then inside of it, we're going to make it some children, and then there we go. And also don't forget, if you're using some hooks, you need to make it client. And then after that, we're going to style it with some tailwinds, change it into animated text. So that's it for the description. We're moving on. Description bottom, so it's basically just the same as this one. Okay, let me just copy paste it first. It's just the same thing, you know, basically. And then for the phrases, copy paste this one here, and then there we go. After that, I'm going to make the animated text. So this one is different. Basically the difference is only for this one. For the upper one, it came from the right side, right? And for the bottom one, it came from the left side. Copy paste this one, import it from React, this one also from React, and then import this React node. And then after that, there we go, I guess. Oh, I forgot for GSAP stuffs. I think I forgot something. Yeah, this one. Scroll trigger, and then use client as usual. And then for the last one, we're going to go to this projects. There we go. I'm going to copy this one, and then we're going to start make the animation and the stylings. So I'm going to make some constant first here. So selected project. So this is basically the state one. Use state as usual. I'm going to set it from 0, and then const container for the reference as usual. Oh, I think I forgot something to change here. So it's not tags but container. Alright, let's continue this one. Make another constant for the image container, use reference. And then after that, I'm going to make some use layout effect again. So we're going to make it some ctx as usual. GSAP from GSAP.context, GSAP.register plugin with scroll trigger from GSAP. Wait, I think I import it wrong. So GSAP scroll trigger. Oh, there we go. I think I forgot to import it here. Alright, it is true. GSAP scroll trigger. There we go. Alright, we're going to continue it into the scroll trigger section again. We're going to create some scroll trigger events. Trigger set into the image container, and then current, and then for the pin is true. And then for the start position, we're going to make it into the top minus 100 pixel, and ends with bottom plus 550 pixel. There we go. Return the ctx. Alright, there we go. So now we continue it with these styles. So we're going to make another div here, and then next one we're going to make some div below the image. Below it, we're going to make another div again. Okay, we're going to make it below here, I guess. So another div. So we're going to map the projects. Alright, on mouse, enter, set the selected project into this index. Make some h2, which is for the title, and then there we go. That's for the projects. Alright, so I'm going to finish this upper part first. I'm going to fill this one with some source. For the text, I'm just going to copy paste this one and then do some class names. There we go, and then we're going to set this one also. There we go, and then for the text I'm just going to copy paste it, and then we're going to style this one. Alright, there we go, and then we're going to style this one also, the h2, and then there we go. That should be it, I guess. So let's run the code then. Oh yeah, I forgot to add it into the main page. Wait, I'm going to add it here. There we go. This should be it, right? Oh, I need to use client this one also. So use client here, use client. Oh yeah, I forgot to use the reference. I'm sorry. So I forgot to use this one. Yes, the container one. So it's located in the upper part. Oh yeah, I forgot to style this one also. I'm real sorry. So for the reference first, I'm going to use ref, do container, and then use some class names, and I'm going to style this one also, this two. There we go. Alright, so I forgot this one also, and then after that I think that's all of it. I think I forgot to set the background, so the background is black. There we go. Oh, I forgot the text is different also, so let's fix it. So basically this is the phrases, this is going to be some text start. Alright, so there we go. That's the animation. Alright, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you can give me some thumbs up. If you want to comment something or ask something, you can comment it down below. And if you want to see me do something more video like this, you can just hit that subscribe button, please. Alright, so I'll see you in the next video. So bye bye.